Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 55. Each wheel takes 1 second to make a revolution. 每一个轮子，这里有2个轮子，每一个轮子都会花费1秒钟的时间来 make a revolution， 转一圈。And the two wheels move towards each other. 2个轮子朝向它们彼此滚动。然后呢 ，How long will it take for the two wheels to meet？ 2个轮子要花费多长的时间才能够碰到一起呢？我们看它在底部，轮子接触地面的The wheels touching the ground at points just below the center of the circle, below the center of the wheel。它们真正需要滚动的是什么？是它们的外围。所以说我们必须要找到的是第一步我们肯定要 find the perimeters of the wheel。 perimeter 这个单词要读清楚。 perimeter of the wheel and R1 we call it R1 and we call it R2. R1 equals 10 centimeters. R2 equals 5 centimeters. And for the perimeter of the wheel, 2 times pi times r. 我们的 pi take pi to be 3.14. Perimeter of the bigger wheel是20 pi centimeters. And perimeters of the smaller wheel 10 pi centimeters. 1 second 1秒钟的时间，这个轮子各转了一圈，所以说它们转动过的距离是20 pi plus 10 pi equals 30 pi centimeters, but pi equals to be take pi to be 3.14 in this question, and times 30. Calculator 3.14 times 30, 94.2 centimeters. 94.2 centimeters. 但是它们之间的 distance between these 2 points 471 centimeter divided by 1 second they travel 94.2 centimeter. OK, 一除471 centimeters divided by 94.2 centimeters. 5 is a whole number. 得到的这个5是什么意思啊？The meaning of 5. That means it takes 5 seconds for two wheels to meet each other. Okay? The answer here 5 seconds. Alright. 这是一道实际生活的问题，它来关心的是我们的 formula to find the perimeter of a circle, and use this formula to find how many seconds for two wheels to roll towards each other, and finally they meet each other. Okay, that is all for this question, and thanks for watching. This is Teacher J. Bye bye.